Well, me father often told me when I was just a lad, a sailor's life is very hard, the food is always bad. But now I've joined the Navy, I'm aboard a man of war, and now I found a sailor ain't a sailor anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another run ashore. A sailor ain't a sailor, ain't a sailor anymore. He says we had it soft. It wasn't like then in his day when we were up aloft. We like our bunks and sleeping bags, but what's a hammock for? A swinging from the deckhead or lying on the floor. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another run ashore. A sailor ain't a sailor, ain't a sailor anymore. An engine, the first went up and down, and then with more technology the engine went around. We know our steam and diesels, but what's a manual for? A stoker ain't a stoker with a shovel anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another run ashore. A sailor ain't a sailor, ain't a sailor anymore. A beer a day, and that's your bleeding lot. And now we've got an extra one because they stopped the tot. So we put on our civic clothes and find a pub ashore. A sailor's just a sailor, just like he was before. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might